If you find yourself typing the same instructions into Claude over and over, there's a much better way. You can save all of that as a reusable template inside a Claude project, and from that point on, it runs automatically every single time. Here's how to set it up. Head to Claude AI and click New Project in the sidebar. Give it a name that matches what you'll use it for. I'll call mine LinkedIn Postwriter. Hit Create. Now click into the plus sign in the instructions field and type your reusable prompt. This is the part you'd normally copy-paste every time. I'll write, "You are a professional content writer. Every time I give you a topic, write a short LinkedIn post about it. Use a conversational tone, keep it under 150 words, and end with one question to drive engagement." Then hit save. That's your template, stored and ready. Now open a new chat inside the project and just type your topic. Nothing else. I'll type "the future of remote work," then hit send. And Claude already knows the format, the tone, the word count, and the engagement question, because the template is doing all the heavy lifting in the background. Next time, just drop in a new topic. Same results, zero setup. That's it. Create a project, write your instructions once, and every chat inside it runs on that template automatically. Works on the free plan, no coding required. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.